just took a short break. Got kind of tired, guys. It's not that I'm lazy, no. Just got tired. I went for a short break. It's not bad. Yeah, it's hot here, Hello, guys. Welcome and welcome back to the channel. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. To my returning subscribers, I'm gonna say thank you, guys, for always coming back to watch the videos on the channel. Yeah, it's already season, guys. It's a rainy season. Happy New Year to those I didn't say Happy New Year. Sorry, guys. Happy New Year. How's the year treating you? How's 2025 treating you all? Yeah, I'm just at the farm, taking you guys around, just showing you what's happening and what we're looking forward to do. Yeah, so you can see how green the farm is. Everything is likely green. Yeah, see the village chickens. Chickens. So guys, today I'm just taking a walk with me as I show you the new orchard, what we're doing with the new orchard. But where I'm taking you right now, it's a place where it has not been cleaned yet. Yeah, it has not yet been cleaned. So just want to show you how messy it can be when it's rainy season. Yeah, yes. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share your views with me in the comment section. Let me know what advice you have for me being at the farm, what I can do, or what is supposed to be done. Yeah, it's very important, and I'll appreciate your views. Yeah, please, guys, help me reach that milestone of 1,000 subscribers. I've only got 752 subscribers. So if you of my subscribers out of 752 can at least share each one of you to your family and friends, then it will be easy for us to reach to that milestone that we're looking forward to reach. Yeah, I would really appreciate, guys. I would really appreciate. So let's just flip and show you how the new orchard looks like for now. Yeah, so this is how the new orchard is looking like. You can see how bushy, grassy it is, and look how healthy the purples look. The purples are so healthy. I'm just scared to reach that side. It's not easy because there's so much grass, and you can see each tree in the new orchard is so healthy. Everything is looking green. Yeah, so in here we're gonna use a lawnmower that's gonna like slash all the grass. Yeah, remove all the grass. But before we have a lawnmower passing through, we need to weed out this grass. This one. This is the bad grass. You see, if I had my gloves, I'll just pull it. Why? Because the soil is so soft. Huh? It's been raining. So easy to take out this bad grass. So this is the bad grass that we want to take out first before we use the lawnmower to pass through in this new orchard. Yeah. So we've got a variety of fruits in this orchard. I call it a new orchard because it's just last year when we just started. Yeah, when we just planted fruits in this orchard. So we've got a variety of fruits like pawpaws. Yeah, you can see the pawpaws here. It's not only one pawpaw. Even this side we've got the pawpaw trees, and we have oranges over that side on that hill. And then we've got ackee tree. Its fruits can be used as spice either in your fish, mostly fish, yeah, that's what I know, but sometimes you can just fry it with your eggs. It's really nice. Also got mangoes, got pawpaws, ackee, like I've said. We've got avocado pears, we've got apples, and we've got what else? Oh god, I almost forgetting the our own fruits. We've got guavas as well, and we've got mulberry. There's so many. Yeah, you can see how we've cleaned at the back of the chicken house. At the back of the chicken house, we've cleared so that nothing bad can come through to them. If you remember last time, guys, I showed you a shot that I was making holes. These holes are for the pawpaws. We're planting in more pawpaws, because we have a variety of pawpaws in the nursery. Yeah, in the nursery. Guys, still walking around in the new orchard. Don't forget, guys, to subscribe, to like the video and comment, and don't forget to watch the video up to the end, guys. I would really appreciate it. Yeah, I really appreciate it. So if it's about slashing or using a lawnmower, I'm gonna show you what I mean. Yeah, I'm gonna show you what I mean by saying. So this is the good grass that has been slashed. This is the good grass that we need, and I showed you the bad grass that we do not need, that we've been weeding. Just pull it out and then leave the grass. Yeah, this is the good grass that we want, that is gonna remain in the orchard, because it's easy to maintain. You can just either slash or just use the lawnmower to just clear the place. Let me pass this side and show you how one of the helpers have started. So you can see these hills of the grass. These are the bad grass. Yeah, this is the bad grass that I'm talking about. So whereby I had one of the helpers pull out all the bad grass and put them in the heaps. Then later we're gonna have them thrown away just somewhere else. Yeah. So this is the ackee tree. It's an ackee tree. You can see how clean it looks at the back of the village chicken house. Guys, rain season, it's oh god, the grass grows like crazy. It grows everywhere. So it's up to us to just maintain the place. As you can see, there's so much grass. So much grass. But when it's all cleared, guys, I'm just gonna show you. Say, guys, this is the place that I was showing you before. It was cleaned. Yeah. And this actually looks so good. It looks so healthy. Looks so healthy, and the pawpaws as well. They look so good. You can see the surrounding of where the village chickens are. It's all clean. It's all cleared. Weeded out all the bad grass, and now they're just enjoying themselves. And I love how the avocado pear is looking as well. It is so fresh. Look at this. And I forgot, guys, to just show the beans. The beans was germinated. I think I remember there's a video that I've uploaded that's talking about beans. This is how the beans was germinated. You can see that there. So that is beans. So all this field, this space that we were supposed to plant potatoes and ginger and garlic, we've just decided to plant beans. Yeah, all this. Then that side, guys, I will show you how the guys have weeded the groundnuts, and they've molded because groundnuts needs more soil. That's what I'm told. It needs more soil. So now from the groundnuts, they're up there. There they are. There they are. They are now gotten into the soybeans. They're now weeding in the soybeans. So, you know, what I can say is that farming is profitable at some point. Though people think it's a waste of time, just like I always say, is that invest in your farming. Yeah, invest in farming, especially if the land is so fertile, then you are really gonna benefit from your farm. Yeah, so I really enjoy walking around the farm, honestly speaking, because sometimes I may have nothing to do, but I'll just walk around, do some chores from the house, then come and participate here on the farm in doing some of the things. Yeah, so let's work together. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share the video, guys. Tell your friends and tell their friends and families to subscribe till we reach, please guys, till we reach to that 1,000 subscribers. I will really appreciate, guys. I will really appreciate. So guys, let me just show you this other section where one of the helpers have been cleaning. Yeah, see how it. So this is how it looks like about the grass that has been heaped here. He didn't use a lawnmower, he used a slasher. So he just slashed the grass, and the bad grass has been heaped. Yeah, the bad grass has been heaped. You can see that's the grass that has been heaped. This place has been slashed. So it's a good thing. It's a good thing, guys, being at the farm. This is how life at the farm is. Yeah, everyone is working, everyone's doing what they can do. So this line, as you can see, it's got purples. Yeah, it's got purples. And this is the apple. This is the apple. Yeah, this is how it looks, the apple tree. Then I'm just gonna show you, there's a shot that I uploaded, I think previously uploaded the shot, and I showed when I was making the hose for the purples. Yeah, and now today the purples are being planted. In a line. Yes, guys, this is how the farm looks like. These are the purples. Fingers crossed that they may all come out very good. So all this part, you can see some grass looks like there's got gaps in them, like spaces. Yeah, it's because we're taking out all the bad grass, because we do not need the bad grass. We only have to remain with this grass, whether it's gonna be slashed or gonna use a lawnmower. It's up to. The good thing is that the bad grass has been weeded out. Yeah. This is how it looks like, guys. This is what it looks like. Being at the farm life. So peaceful. I like it. See, look at this place. We've got so much grass, so much weed. Have to work in here. Then later on, I'm just gonna show you guys. Guys, remember that place that I showed you? That I showed you when it had so much weed. Just look at the stones that are here in this place. There's so much stones, but the good part is that all the grass is being weeded, which is very good. Yeah. So let's venture together, guys, on the farm. You can see the grass. Oh, this grass is gonna be weeded. It's gonna be weeded. Then I'm gonna show you guys that look at the place that had so much grass. Yeah, I'll show you when it's all cleared up. Yeah. So guys, I've come here on the lines of the purples. Now I'm making the holes and I'm making the basins where we're gonna put the purples. Yeah. So first, before you put in your purples, you have to make the soil loose. You have to dig, make the soil loose. Use your little shovel or whatever you have to make holes like this, so you can come and plant in your purples. So, like last time, I showed you guys when I was making this hole. So today, I'm just gonna make them a bit bigger and just loose the soil. Make sure you have to go deep as well. The grass, the roots of the grass, you don't want to plant the grass first. Then get the shovel and measure and see if it's straight. And also on the side, you have to dig deep as well. So guys, I'm gonna do one more. Oh, then I need to go and get the purples from the nursery. So let's do this last one. My bag is kind of disturbing me. So hot. So hot, guys. Manpower, guys. We need more manpower. Guys, this is the last one that I'm doing. We are now going to get the purples so we can come and plant them. the nursery that we have here. There are a variety of fruits in here as well. Yeah, some have not germinated yet, but will be germinated anytime soon. And so we're here when we're getting the purpose from. This is our nursery.
One. Even if you cut it a little bit like this, doesn't matter.
Okay?
And then most of it.
Alright then.
Did you show this?
Yeah, I already showed. Alright guys, so we're here on the purple nursery. Like I said, we come to transplant the purples. So I'll be getting the purples from here. Then we're gonna plant them in that new orchard, yeah? So for those who do not know how to take out the purples, you just watch carefully and see how I'm gonna do it, yeah? So you put your shovel in from a bit of a distance, then you go in, yeah? Then you pull out together with the soil, you see, together with the soil. Then you put in whatever you're gonna carry your purples in, like this, yep. So let's go. So guys, just gonna take out one more, then we head for where we're gonna plant the purples.
Bend down.
So guys, we're now gonna start. Let's just take a deep breath. Yeah? So guys, I'm back. Just took a short break. Got kind of tired, guys. It's not that I'm lazy, no. Just got tired. I went for a short break. It's not bad. Yeah, you know it's hot here. You know, Zambia, Africa. If you know, you know, it's always good. So I advise you, if you're in Africa, always drip water. So I'm gonna start with the pawpaws, separating them. So as you separate them, you use some soil, you mold them as you're going to put them in the hole. Yeah. So here we go. So you press the soil very hard to just make sure your pawpaw is stable. Yeah, so this is how you do it, guys. Showing you. So now I'm just gonna concentrate on planting the pawpaw. Yeah, not that stretch. Yeah. So move to the next one. Guys, I'm now planting in my last this is the last one that I'm doing for now, for today. So I'll finish up tomorrow, then we'll come and revisit the orchard when all the purples have been planted. Then I'm gonna show you guys how the orchard looks. So guys, this was the last one. Until next time, from here it. So guys, you can see how I've planted the purples, and the reason why you see me planting the purples two in each section or hole, it's because the purples don't outgrow, but they only grow up. Yeah, so it's different from the other fruits that always outgrow. If the fruit is outgrowing, you'd rather just plant it by itself without planting another fruit nearby. Yeah, so this is how it's going for now, guys. Yeah, after planting, they're also being watered as well so that they can catch up. So we also make our own compost, as you can see, which is so good for the plants, for the fruits. This is really good, the compost. Just make it by yourself. Yeah, so guys, okay, yeah, as usual, if you want to make the compost, you can just rake some grass, mix up with something leaves. Yeah, just let them rot, then it's gonna make a good compost for you. So guys, as I've showed you how I've been working at the farm, our rainy season, we focus on the farm like I've always said. And guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Help me to get to that 1,000 subscribers, guys, until we reach to the top. I really appreciate, guys, when we reach to the 1,000 subscribers. So guys, next time, from now, from me, it's bye bye till next time.